सुबह जल्दी हम लोग आकर आएंगे।
Yes, Epson scanner service installation completed successfully. Done. Scanner is done. Test confirm after graphic. Go to graphic application. Go to graphic and see Epson scan to XM. Okay. So this is Epson scanner is completed. Installation complete successfully to Linux. After that, go to document page. Okay, so next tab is this LSC scanning web application. Okay, so copy the link. Okay, and go to bar. Okay, right click, paste, and then enter. See LSC web application page, scanner utility. Okay, and please add to bookmark this page, LIC space scanner, save, C. So edit bookmark and remove the login name and save it. It's done. Oh, sorry. Login.
Hmm.
Revival. See, confirm that. So go to revival and see scanner icon is this is ideal. Okay, so it's ready mode. से
वही सेम 12 महीने के लिए कर दो इनपुट 12 बेसिक प्लस डी एफपी है वो मैंने पकड़ा ही नहीं मैं कम था नहीं होता है
रिवाइवल करूया आपण.
हाँ. नंबर आ गया था ई नंबर 8956
8956
57
57
117.
117. Okay, so add. Okay, so option is below options is highlighted. Okay, so to scan. Okay, see all option is this arrow, just front back after scanning, all pages scanning. Okay, so after that is save document saved successfully. KYC. This second page is KYC, the scan.
वो रमेश शराब करके
ब्लॅक झाला.
एकदम ब्लॅक हो एकदम कधी कधी एकदम आता
इतने महीने का खाली
थोड़ा ब्लॅक असेल तर एकदम ब्लॅक होता.
Submit option is completely for final document uploaded process. Okay, submit.
हाँ लेकिन वो शायद नहीं हो रहा है.